Recent report states that there have been dramatically fewer COVID-19 cases and deaths among people who have been fully vaccinated with Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. On Thursday, pharmaceutical companies Pfizer and BioNTech announced that real-world evidence from the Israel Ministry of Health show that there have been dramatically fewer COVID-19 cases and deaths among people in Israel who have been fully vaccinated with Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine compared with those who have been not vaccinated. CNN, citing Pfizer and BioNTech's announcement, reported that the latest analysis from the Israel Ministry of Health shows that 2 weeks after the second dose, vaccine effectiveness was at least 97% in preventing symptomatic disease, hospitalizations, and death. The analysis also found that the vaccine effectiveness was 94% in preventing asymptomatic COVID-19, where infections show no symptoms. We are extremely encouraged that the real-world effectiveness data coming from Israel are confirming the high efficacy demonstrated in our Phase 3 clinical trial and showing the significant impact of vaccine in preventing severe disease and death due to COVID-19, said Louis Joda, Senior Vice President and Chief Medical Officer, Pfizer Vaccines. The findings, which suggest that vaccine may also provide protection against asymptomatic SARS-CoV-2 infections, are particularly meaningful as we look to disrupt the spread of virus around the globe. Altogether, these data are critical to understanding the role of vaccination in combating the pandemic and provide hope to other countries dealing with this devastating disease, which has now afflicted the world for more than a year. SARS-CoV-2 is the name of the virus that causes COVID-19. According to CNN, the announcement comes about 2 weeks after a study published in New England Journal of Medicine finding that the risk of symptomatic COVID-19, meaning people who were infected with the coronavirus and fell sick, decreased by 94% among those who received 2 doses of the vaccine. Even before the second dose, the vaccine's effectiveness approached 60%. This clearly demonstrates the power of COVID-19 vaccine to fight with this virus and encourages us to continue even more intensively with our vaccination campaign. We aim to achieve even higher uptake in people of all ages, which gives us hope of regaining normal economic and social function in the not-so-distant future. Yaskel Levy, Israel Ministry of Health Director, said in the announcement as quoted by CNN. Albert Bola, CEO of Pfizer, said data from Israel shows the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine prevents asymptomatic infection and death is a message of hope 1 year on from declaration of the pandemic. Bola said that this is important for society because the asymptomatic carriers, the symptomatic patients, are the ones that they are spreading the disease mainly. This is the first time that we are coming with a confirmation of a real-world evidence study of that magnitude, he added. News Desk, Kaumudy English.